Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone from the Telegram channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app. Click on the Telegram channel that you have created. Click on the top of your screen where the name of the channel and the number of subscribers is located. Here, click on the subscribers option and tap on the name of the user you wanna block. Click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner. Now you'll just have to click on the block user option. And if you are sure, click on the block user option once again. And that is how you can block someone from the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.